we are the United States, right? If Trump wants to be the president of the United States, if he wants to be even America first in the way that he's carrying out these dealings, that he needs to either decide we're not doing this in terms of, support for the Ukraine war, support for an all-out genocide, that sort of thing, or he needs to get to the point where Netanyahu is actually listening to him. How do you see the Trump administration's handling of Israel as a whole and this genocide? Because even though they may want to put it out there as, oh, we're just gonna clean up the Gaza Strip and send all these Palestinians off to other country, like that is not something that you can do easily, and it's not something that comes without mass murder as we're seeing already happening right now.
Not only does it come with all that, what you just said, it basically guarantees that there's going to be acrimony for, the next 4, 5, 6 generations of Palestinians and Arabs against Israel, the U.S., and anybody else who allied with them. In the pantheon of bad guys, like Netanyahu, all these small church, all these people are the worst of the worst. What was the Genocide Convention drafted for? It was to prevent this and people like this, so that the world powers could get together and somehow under international law come together to try to apply pressure or to create blockades to prevent these types of things from happening. The danger is now by Trump attacking the International Criminal Court, for example, sanctioning the ICC, threatening staff that they can't enter the United States, non-American ICC staff. So if you want to do depositions and basic legal stuff for your job with the UN, they're preventing them from doing that. They're attacking the international legal system. International law itself is only as good as these institutions can function. And what's the U.S. reaction? Attack the ICC, declare war on the ICC. They're also pressuring the international courts of justice. Are they going to sanction the ICJ? That's the UN's global court. I mean, where's the U.S. going with any of this? Why? To protect what is effectively, by international consensus, is a war criminal of the highest order. And the Israeli government itself is guilty of untold war crimes at this point.